Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get a sound ID on Roblox. So let's get started. If you want to use music or sound effects in Roblox, you'll first need to find the sound ID. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to get it. Start by opening the Roblox website and clicking Create at the top of the page. This will take you to the Creator Hub. Next, select Store and then choose Audio. You can browse through the available categories or use the search bar to find a specific sound or music track. Once you find a sound you like, click the play button to preview it. To copy the sound ID, right-click anywhere on the Sounds panel and select Copy Asset ID, or you can choose Copy Asset Link if you need the full URL. If you're using Roblox Studio, open the Creator Store panel and select Audio from the drop-down menu. Search for the sound you want, then right-click it and choose Copy Asset ID. After copying the ID, you can paste it into any supported sound property, script, or audio field within your Roblox project. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.